Hello everyone, good evening. I hope everyone is doing fine and taking good care of themselves during this quarantine period. So once again, a very warm welcome to everyone who have taken to be a part of this live session today. Before I shed light on on how this session is going to be, I would like to give you a brief introduction of myself. My name is Ketaki Gokhale and I am a clinical psychologist and a REBT practitioner. I have been working in this field since the past 4 years. I have been working with Parisar Asha as a clinical psychologist for the project of Positive Parenting and Child Helpline, which is supported by Capgemini. So once again, a very warm welcome to everyone who took out their valuable time for this session. Today is a very important day as we are going to address the concerns that today's youth are facing. The topic for today's session is mind your mental health during social distancing, as we are expected to keep a social distance from everyone with no physical contact. It's but obvious that it's going to take a bad toll on our mental health. So here I am for today's youth to address their concerns during this social distancing and how they can make it productive and effective rather than getting frustrated. So I would be addressing basic concerns of today's youth, and definitely we can have a question answer session after that. So as I start, I would start this session with a quote which says that happiness can be found in the darkest of the times, but if only one remembers to turn on the light. Yes, we are dealing with one of the most darkest times, which is coronavirus, also called as COVID-19, which has got world to a standstill. So it's our responsibility, or rather our duty, to find happiness in this darkest time. To start with, yesterday I received a call from one of my colleagues who was sharing her daughter's example, where she told me that her daughter goes to college. But since they don't know when their exams are going to commence, the day goes as if it's going to be a vacation, with a lot of time being spent on technology, social media, and obviously cravings of food. So I just wanted to advise you, today's youth, that rather than taking it as a vacation, you can use this time to build on yourself, to work on yourself, by doing something productive, by doing something effective. Yes, you need relaxations. Yes, you need entertainment. But then don't lose touch with academics. Instead, if we don't know when your exams are going to be scheduled. You never know when this lockdown is going to get resolved. So might as well be prepared and don't lose touch with academics. Another graving concern which I do come across for nowadays is my son is not doing anything productive. My son is busy eating and my son is all day into technology. Yes, it's a good way to be updated with technology, but do something for yourself and do productive and be more worth and make this lockdown period a worthwhile period for you. Another question which got raised was that there are a lot of people who are going under job stress, where basically what's happening is, since everyone is working from home, there is a lot of stress amongst the people that if they are going to lose their jobs or not, and what's going to happen, what the future holds. As of now, I'll always keep on telling you that we don't know what's going to happen. Just keep hopes, just have that positive affirmations in your head that I am a very confident person, and no matter what comes, I will be able to face it like a brave soldier. So do not worry. As of now, I know the market is really crashing down. There are less number of jobs available, but do not worry, this too shall pass. So probably this is the time that has been given to you to do something and to explore your habit and to become a different person, to become a better person than you always were. Or rather, you can bring about a positive change in yourself by helping your mom at home by doing some household works like cleaning or washing utensils, because this is what I have started doing. Also, another interesting thing that I would say, that you can utilize this time for playing cards. this is what I do. We play a game called as Judgment. So this is something that really binds us together. I have started enjoying this lockdown time where I make the most of this time with my family members. So also another concern that I would talk to you is basically kids being addicted to phones and with no time being given to your parents. So today's youth, I would like to tell you that utilize this time to make the most of the lost conversations that you've had, or probably you were not able to engage into those conversations because of your other responsibilities. So use this time to build upon the lost conversations, to build upon the strained relationships that you've had with your parents or with your siblings. Also, I would like to say that if apart from anything else, if you have any other concerns, so this is our helpline number. You feel free to give us a call on this number. It's functional from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. But rather, one more good news is that we have extended this helpline for during this weekend as well, because we used to get a lot of queries that why isn't it on a weekend, because people do have more of the times on weekend. So utilize this time if you have any other concerns. We are a team of psychologists who are there to bring about a positive change. So make this quarantine period a very worthwhile and a very effective lockdown. Have a happy quarantine. And before I sign off, I would like to give you a few positive affirmations which you can practice. I am a confident person, I am a brave person, I am a happy person, and more importantly, I love myself. Because that's what, if you don't love yourself, you won't be able to love anyone else. And keep a tab on the physical fitness by practicing regular routines. And I know it's a frustration building time where you are not able to step out of their houses, and it's the time where your anger is taking into another level, where you can't go out, because during weekends we are not used to staying at longer time at homes. But I would suggest that better be safe rather than be sorry. So this time will definitely come. Use video chats to get connected through your friends. So the only thing I would urge to say is that happy quarantine, make it worthwhile, be productive, be mentally fit. Thank you so much.